Hello, I'm Clara, and today I'm sharing my personal experience with Quietum Plus, a revolutionary supplement that has worked wonders for my hearing health. If you, like me, have been concerned about age-related hearing loss, keep reading to discover how this product can make a difference in your life. Like many of you, I reached a stage in life where I began to notice small changes in my hearing. Sounds that used to be sharp and clear now seemed distant and muffled. This deeply concerned me, as my hearing has always been an important aspect of my active and socially engaged life. That's when I heard about Quietum Plus and decided to give this natural supplement a chance. What immediately drew me to Quietum Plus was its natural approach to improving hearing health. As someone who prefers natural solutions whenever possible, I was intrigued by this product's promise to use natural ingredients to strengthen and protect my ears. Additionally, the 60-day money-back guarantee gave me the confidence to try it without fear of risking anything. After a few weeks of consistent use of Quietum Plus, I was surprised and delighted with the results. First, I noticed a noticeable improvement in my ability to hear sounds around me. Sounds that used to seem distant and indistinct were now clear and defined. Furthermore, I noticed that my hearing seemed sharper and less affected by environmental noise. Another surprising benefit of Quietum Plus was the increase in my overall sense of well-being. With its unique blend of natural ingredients, this supplement not only improved my hearing health but also strengthened my immune system and left me feeling more energized and alert in my day-to-day life. If you're facing concerns about hearing health and want a natural and effective solution, I highly recommend trying Quietum Plus. Its unique and safe formula can help improve your hearing and your quality of life in ways you never imagined possible. Don't let concerns about hearing loss hold you back. Take the first step toward clearer hearing and a more vibrant life by trying Quietum Plus today. Click the link below to access the official website and learn more about this incredible hearing supplement. Your hearing health deserves this extra care. Click here to try Quietum Plus now and transform your hearing.